You cannot succeed in business alone. Business is a team sport. The only way to scale your business is by expanding and having other people to help you. One of the biggest challenges I see creatives facing is they think that nobody can do it the way they want it done, or they can't do it to the standard they want. And that may be true. Perhaps you're an editor who edits in a particular way. The fact is, maybe nobody else can edit exactly like you want, but that doesn't mean that you can't edit very close to what you're looking for. And what you've got to ask yourself is, what do you want? Do you want to be a perfectionist editor who controls everything? Or do you want to be someone who runs a business where your clients get great looking products? Just because someone doesn't do something the way you do it doesn't mean it's wrong. And if you want to scale your business, you have to let go. You have to delegate. You have to put systems and process in place, and you have to trust your team to deliver the outcomes for you. It's the only way to scale.